Hey Creeper, and welcome to another video. Today's video we're gonna be playing vlogger thing. I don't know the game. I'm sorry, forgot. Let's start to make our new episode, and I cannot read it. Sorry. Choose any of these topics. I wonder which one you're trending these. Okay. So do I want music, cat, dog, cake, music, video, phone, blah blah, kiss? What's kiss? What is that? My God. This maybe movie. Making a video, tap the blah blah. Okay, I know that from my friend. Come on, construction is so much faster. The best typer. By the way, this is my character I choose. Come on. Vlog, come on. Beethoven. That's on Octopus. Publish video. Trendiness right now. It's fine, okay. It's not the best though. Oh. Now let's buy blah. Okay. I don't know what it said, but okay. What are these? I cannot see it from my face cam. Where will I put this face cam? Here. I want to buy new Windows. Thank you. Start a new episode. You have learned everything. I know. So I want another topic on movies. Research. Oh my God, you're not even typing. What's wrong with you, red hair? You're not even typing. You're laughing, and they said movies, not cat winking at me like this. Like, I don't like it. And there's basketball now, and then now octopuses. It doesn't make sense. This game is so weird. It doesn't even make sense. Ugh, this face cam is kind of annoying, you know. Come on, and by the way, I'm not looking at the camera like this because the camera over there is up. That's why. Publish. Excuse me. I got 78. So I'm good now, kind of. Start. Wait a second there. I want to buy a new computer. Calm down. Nice computer, buddy. Nice computer. Oh, okay, there, nice. Let's start with another day of this. Shush. Look at your mouth going crazy. What's this? Would you like to just sharpen? Okay. What is this? Yeah, it is awkward indeed. Okay. That is not what I expected. Bad boy! Hello, cafe. Really? Really that much? You've done. Publish. Video published. Oh yeah. I'm gonna buy a new computer and update it. Or I meant buy a water pasta. If you're enjoying, no thanks. I am enjoying it though. What is tell mom's friends? Enough. Okay, I will tell mom's friends. I know. I will do. Good channel. Thank you. Okay, we told mom's friends. And then what is this? Okay. Let's watch our helicopters going in the air. It's very important. They are so cool. And then helicopters going in the air. Hero of the Time 7 says sports are awesome. Does the helicopter look like footballs for you. But still, let me raise this. Food videos. Oh, okay, I'll do them. Just found about this channel. I might subscribe. Yay! Funny. This is a pretty decent channel. Yes, thank you. Funny, yeah. Nice channel. Nice channel. Any good videos or channels about movies? Yeah. Nice vlog. Would watch more? Yes, thank you. Cinema life? Yes. Please make some feeds about sports. Okay, I'll try to. Any movie recommendation? Yeah, I don't want to read them now. It's boring. I'll do cooking channel. Look at like so many people. Get out of here. Yeah, now that's good. I want to buy a poster. We have a poster of doom. What poster is that? Can I change it? I can't change it. Anyways, move this up here. Get this here. Because it's kind of annoying me right now. Now we can go. Where do I press? Enough. I could put this here. Oh my god. Let's start another video on cooking. That's like a year. Yes, please. How long is it? Oh, that's fast. It's from the horror map I yesterday played. A horror map? I meant Slenderman. And go and check it out if you didn't see it. Dawn of the Titans. Thank you. Yeah, I know. Can I have this coffee, please? That little. This will take ages for me now. Ages. Shut up. What does this do? Plus 360. Don't make a fart sound like that, you stupid thing. Come on, be 3 gems so I could waste them. Excuse me for a second. Coffee! Publish! I'm supposed to. Oh my god, you're so good! Get the 1,000! So good. I want to see the video. Nice spaghetti! Bologna spaghetti, nice. Get out of here. Thank you. Get out of here. Thank you. 7 years later. Look, I made like 1 million of. What are these? Oh god. The tablet, arranging the tablet. Calm down, tablet, calm down. How do I have no money? Oh my god, that's expensive. It is expensive. I could have bought the obnoxious fruit. The obnoxious fruit. You know how tempting this is? Okay, now what can we do? No, go away. Can we announce anyone? I don't know, somehow those are getting up. Thank you. Can I use them somehow? No. These do nothing. Let's do another video then. Oh, I didn't see what it says. Do I need to make episode 5? Oh, okay. I thought it said something special. So people kind of like this. So they want me to have this back again. So, yes please. So by the way, my tablet is... I hate this shit. I'll continue next time. So guys, wait. I upgraded the computer. Let's complete this channel first. It's 2, but let's complete this channel. Let's complete it. Oh. Anyways, blah, 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 blah. Okay, that computer's gonna get upgraded like crazy. So, come on. Thank you. Now, can I go get this? I'll check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.